Hi, hello, welcome to Easy Classes. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Word showing the product activation failed error. That also in a single minute you are going to fix it easily. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This is how you can support me. Okay? Without further ado, let's get started. To fix the Microsoft Word product activation failed issue, open the File Explorer, go to the local disk C. You can find it in the PC and go to the local disk C drive. Here, you have to find the Microsoft Office folder. Some cases you can find in the program files or else in the program files x86. There find Microsoft Office folder, open that, then find Office 16 or 15 which the version has installed on your PC. Open the folder. There have to find this file ospprearm. Right click on that and then hit run as administrator and say yes. It will open a command window and closes automatically. And again right click second time and hit run as administrator and say yes, and let the window will be disappear. And in the third time you have to perform the same step. Right click on the same file and hit run as administrator and say yes. So guys, 3 times you have to perform this step. So once you're done, close the window and the Microsoft Word product activation failed error will be solved. So that's it guys. This was the quick and simple tutorial for you. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.